Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track vendor payments in Wave. Tracking what you pay to vendors helps to manage budget and cash flows. And let me show you how to get this done. Step 1. Create or tag vendors. When recording or editing a transaction, you want to use the vendor field to enter a name, for example, Staple or ACM Marketing. Step 2. Use vendor filter. Now go to transactions and use the search bar or filter panel to select a specific vendor name. Wave will show you all transactions that are tagged with that vendor. Step 3. Run expense reports. To get a summary, all you got to do is click reports in the left menu and then open the purchase by vendor report. Now you can choose your date range and Wave will display a breakdown of amounts paid to each vendor. Step 4. Export or print. You can export the vendor report as a CSV or PDF file for bookkeeping, or you can share it with your accountant. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.